Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Alwaiti World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you working with apps in Microsoft Edge. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Edge that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here, see here the three dot icon. Here we will work with the apps. So search the app, see here the apps. So when we click the apps, see here I have on it before. Now I want to hide from toolbar. See, so when I do the hide, then it has been hidden. Then again I want to reveal this thing, so here I will click three dot icon. Here the apps, see here the view apps. So when we click the view app, see the thing has been here. If I have pin here, so this site cannot be installed as an app, so I will do install manage app. See here the things. So show apps button in toolbar, it has been show here. Install app, see I have an install from your available apps. So click here, then what happened in this here, see no apps has been. So now I will downloaded apps. So what apps? Microsoft Office. No search result. Here the discover apps. Let's click here. Install, manage and uninstall apps in Microsoft Edge. What should we do? Sign in editor. Here this one apps has been here. Is that unlocked? Let's do whatever thing. Actually you should do the practice, otherwise you can't. No. See here the lots of things apps which have been paid version Microsoft these things. So I will close it as because no need to do this. I will do another thing, close this. Install an apps in Microsoft, open Microsoft Edge, navigate to the web application. If web application PWA, Microsoft Edge will promote you will a possibility of the install the application. Settings and more apps, install the side apps. Settings, where click here, settings, this, where the apps, no apps, write it. Oh, block potential unwanted app. I have been blocked here. So click here. Hopefully I will get this. Refresh. Defender I have unblocked. Website protection unblocked. DNS unblock. Now this refresh. Now I have closed apps. See again we will go. This site cannot be installed an app. So how we will do? You can install site as apps for access via start and the taskbar and your desktop to help you focus on the important too. So how? This has been desktop setting, not here the start. See I have told you before the here the things Microsoft Store. This app has been here. So from the here this thing. So from in this way we can do this thing. Also here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.